Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMZN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a crazy close on Thursday for Amazon here, and now that the dust has settled here, there's definitely a couple of key levels to watch very closely moving forward. And these are not levels that are some sort of great discovery on my part. I'm not trying to imply that I have some sort of special skill. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching these levels. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements. And the level here that everybody and their brother's uncle is going to be watching moving into next week is right down here at 31.40. I mean, you go through the history of the chart and you can see, and generally speaking, right, because we're talking about a $3,000 stock here, but 31.40 provided support, provided support, provided support, and then a bunch of times here, provided support. So while nothing is guaranteed, my core point here is this, that it is a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have, that if the price consolidates, comes down here and then breaks down through 31.40, that break in and of itself could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is, what is a more than valid, a more than rational thought to have. So 31.40, tons of people are going to be watching that level, and again, rightfully so. And then the area of resistance to keep an eye on, which is basically the formation of this descending triangle pattern, but keep a very close eye on that resistance trend line. You can see that over the past few days, that level has done a fantastic job of forecasting where each of these problem points are. So if there is any sort of bounce, I'd be very skeptical until the price can at least get up above that resistance trend line right there. But moving forward, as far as just summarizing the chart, it'd be 30-minute descending triangle pattern. So let's see how this one plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.